Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. This time it is a vlog and it's our first adventure since lockdown has been over. Yeah, how weird does it? It feels so weird to say that we're going away this weekend. We're very excited. Me and Theo are taking away Bella for 5 days and we're heading to Village Nature in France. It's just outside Paris, about 30 minutes outside Paris and about 3 hours from Calais. We are heading there, I think it's 5 days. We're staying in self-catered accommodation. The resort is an eco resort just outside Paris, and it's actually just down the road from Disneyland as well, so it's a resort that if a lot of people who are going to Disney, they will stay there too, but also it's just a really great resort and place to go with friends, family, or as a couple. We are staying in one of their premium cottages, which is a 2-bed cottage based on one of the lakes on the resort. And we're just really excited to get out and explore. It's the first time that me and Theo have travelled since February, when we went to Scotland actually. And obviously we've been desperate to explore. We headed off on a little glamping trip a couple of weeks ago in Gloucester, but we were really excited when we heard that the Eurotunnel was back open, and we just couldn't wait to head across to France and go on a little road trip. After a 3-hour drive, the Eurotunnel, and a 3-hour drive in England as well, so it's been a long day, so we're all very tired, hot and sweaty because it's like 28 degrees at the moment, and we are hungry as well, so we're going to go off and grab some food.
Find the bottle we like.
How much?
€3.60.
It's my birthday ice cream. Just had lunch and we have now picked up our bikes, as you would have seen a second ago, and we've just come to the beach, and we're just going to chill on the beach all afternoon. So I've got a magazine, Bella's in the water somewhere over here, and yeah, we're just going to chill for the rest of the afternoon. So we've just come out for a quick bike ride before dinner. We just thought it would be a really good way to explore the resort. We picked up our bikes earlier, and the bikes are coming in useful a lot, because I walked back to our cottage this morning after we realised we'd forgotten our towels for the Aqualagon. It took me over an hour to get back, and then back to our cottage and then back to the Aqualagon, just because this place is so big. So the bikes are definitely coming in handy, and it's just been a nice way to explore the resort at ease. just got back from a busy day in Paris. We've just got showered and come back to our cottage, and we've just come out on the terrace with a glass of wine and a drink and some crisps just to chill before going for dinner this evening. And we're just watching the sunset, and it's beautiful, very relaxing, and yeah, we're hungry though, so we better go for dinner.
Sophie said 3 Aperol Spritz, so she's going to do what?
Good morning. So we've just had our daily delivery of bread and pastries. We get it delivered every morning, and it's super nice, and comes with coffee and orange as well. It's a great way to start the day, so I'm just setting it out ready for breakfast. We've just come down to the Aqualagon, trying to get there while it's quiet, because yesterday it was very busy. Whee! Got the essentials. Good morning. We've just woken up and we are checking out of our accommodation as we are going home today. It's been such an amazing trip. The weather has been on point. The accommodation has been amazing, and the amount of activities and places to eat on site has been really good too. Also been really impressed with the safety levels regarding COVID. Masks are compulsory in France inside. The water parks were super clean. We didn't feel like we weren't safe at any point. And luckily, obviously, a lot of the things were outside as well. So yeah, we've had a lovely 5 days here, but unfortunately we have to go home. So we've just checked out. We just need to take the bikes back to the bike rental place, and then we're going to go and see if we can do something for a few hours, because our train is not till 5 o'clock this afternoon. So we've got a 3-hour drive back to Calais. So yeah, we're just going to go see if we can find something to do for a few hours, and then jump back in the car, stop off at one of the Carrefour supermarché on the way and grab some wine and cheese, of course. But yeah, thank you for coming along with me. If you've stayed till the end of this vlog, it was a long one, so I hope you've enjoyed. If you've liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and for more vlogs, once a week I upload vlogs. So and hopefully for the next onwards future travel will be us going away places. So yeah, stay tuned, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.